This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Hello guys, what's up beautiful people, how you doing? I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, karibu sana. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yes, drop a sweet comment. Let me know what you think about this video guys. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell. It really supports my channel. When you subscribe, like this video, make sure you like this video guys. And yeah, so in this video I just want to show you how I wash my fruits. So these are the fruits that I'm working with and some vegetables here. So I'm gonna show you how I wash and store my fruits. Yeah, so to wash the fruits, I'm gonna be using this red basin. In this basin, I'm gonna put some vinegar. So this is the vinegar that I'm using. So I'm gonna put some amount of vinegar inside the water, like hizi vifuniko tano, and then put some running water. Then the next thing I do is just dip my fruits inside like that. I'm washing the bowl because I want to return the fruits here after washing. I love using soap when washing my fruits, so I'm gonna use his soap tu ya kawaida. This is Zenta, but if you have vegetable soap, it's more preferable. I don't have it, so I'll be using this. And in ile kitambaa yangu ya kuosha vyombo. Inside here, remember I put vinegar and some clean water. Fruits are usually really dirty, so make sure you give it a really nice scrub like this. Inside this bowl, I'm still gonna put some vinegar and some water because we still need to rinse the fruits. So I'm starting with the oranges. That is what I'm gonna wash first. I'm gonna rinse them inside this water that I added vinegar. Vinegar is good for washing vegetables. That's it for the oranges. I'm gonna put some tangerines. And some lemons. I don't know what this fruit is called. If you know, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to know where I bought all these fruits and how much they costed me, I have uploaded a video previously before this. So make sure you go watch that video. It will help you know what to buy, the groceries to buy on a monthly basis. So make sure you watch the video, head on to my YouTube videos and watch it. You're gonna see where I bought all these fruits. Give it a really nice rinse and then put it inside this bowl. Fruits are usually really dirty, so if you can, use soap to wash your vegetables. So you see, after washing them and rinsing them well, if I need to eat a fruit, I'll just wash it kidogo too and then eat. because I know I did the thorough washing before storing them. When you think of a fruit before it falls down a tree, before the farmer sells it to a seller, before it's transported to the market, and then people there buying, wanachagua, you don't know what the person had touched, anazichagua because you won't just go picking at umeshika. That is what you're gonna buy. You have to look for the one that is not spoiled and for the fresh fruit. So if you think of the whole process of transportation, maybe the fruit fell on the ground, you don't know where it fell on. So when you think of all that, fruits are really dirty. Vegetables are dirty. So you really need to wash them well before consumption. And if you can, soak them in vinegar, use some soap, give it a very thorough rinse in some clean water with vinegar. And that way, you're safe to eat your fruits. But after washing this way, it doesn't mean that I won't wash them again while eating. I'll still wash them again, but it won't be as thorough as this because I did the thorough wash here before storing them. Yeah. So all the tangerine, the oranges, and this fruit that I don't know the name. If you know the name of this fruit, let me know. I don't know what it's called kwa Kikuyu, kwa English, kwa Kiswahili, I really don't know. But it's a really sweet fruit. If you know, let me know in the comment section. So I've finished and the lemons all are clean. So what I'm gonna do is pour this water. Pour it. And then use the water I used to rinse to wash the vegetables. I'm gonna add some water. Add some vinegar. And pour in some water. So I'm gonna wash the apples next. Soak them inside the water. I have some more apples here. Soak them inside the water like so. Then give them a thorough wash. Same thing I did with these fruits. And I'm gonna place them on this plate here. These are all the apples. They're all clean, but this one is still falling. So they're all clean. So next I'm gonna drop in the 3 tomatoes for a good wash. Rinse this bowl because I need to put them here. And then I'm gonna put in the passion fruits and the mangoes. Repeat the same process. Use soap to clean. The apples are still falling. So I need to transfer some of the apples here because they are really falling off. Let me transfer them here. This one is big. Make sure you wash them well. Wash it well. Wash it well, my sister. Wash it well. Fukuza minyoo, fukuza germs, fukuza kila kitu. And that's it, all clean. For the bananas, I don't wash them, so I'm gonna put these ones aside. All clean. Then lastly, I'm gonna wash the tomatoes. And the tomatoes are all clean. For the danias, I don't clean them. I clean them while cooking. So what I'm gonna do is just cut off these banana leaves. What are they called? I'm just gonna use this jug. I'll just put some water and dip in the roots. If you know a better way of storing these things without spoiling, I could drop it in the comment section, because mine spoil. Look at how amazing they look. So beautiful. All the fruits are here, all clean, as you can see. Everything is all clean, and yeah, that is how I wash my fruits and vegetables. I'm super tired. This is not easy doing, and I'm thinking whether or not I should store these vegetables with you, or I should do it as a different video. And I guess I'm gonna do a different video of how I store my fruits, cause right now my fridge is not clean, and if I start vlogging, I'm gonna take a lot of time. So I'm just gonna do that off the camera, or maybe do that in a different video after taking some rest. So I hope this video was helpful to you. That is just my way of washing fruits and vegetables, and maybe hopefully I'm gonna do another video later and show you how I store my fruits. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for joining me in this video, and thank you for taking time to click into this video. I really appreciate it a lot. So if you are new here, you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscription button. It really supports my channel, and imagine it's completely free. please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Yes, like this video and turn on the notification bell. Ako ka bell kako hapo chini. Click it until it turns gray. Yeah, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you are gonna be the first person to be notified. Yeah, you're gonna be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. And please leave a sweet comment. Yes, leave a sweet comment. Let me know how you wash your vegetables. Let me know how you store your vegetables. Let me know where you buy your vegetables, and let me know everything about vegetables and fruits. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope I'm not repeating myself too much, because when I get tired I repeat myself too much. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you enjoyed keeping me company and watching me wash the fruits and vegetables. I hope you try my method, and yeah, that's it for this video. So for now, it's a bye-bye, and as always, remember to be kind, always have good intentions, and always stay positive. Yeah, stay positive, be good to people. And for now, it's a bye-bye. I'll see you in my next one.
Give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.